Seed starting in containers. Hi, today I'm gonna show you updates on the, uh, the seed starting that I did in plastic bottles. These are them right here. I think it's been like 3 weeks to a month since I planted them, transplanted them in the container. So they're doing great. So right now I have moved them to the greenhouse. So here, still gonna try to maintain the temperature in this. I have a little shelf in the greenhouse that I'm gonna cover with plastic. So the temperature in the greenhouse is pretty warm, and in here in this shelf that I have, the temperature in there right now it's 75, about 75 degrees right now. So temperature is really high in here today. Temperature outside is about 55, 60 degrees, but in the greenhouse it's a little bit higher than in this enclosure that I'm gonna make in here. It's gonna be even higher, so it's gonna maintain that temperature even in cold nights. It should be able to maintain the temperature. Just for backup, just in case the temperature goes down below freezing level, I have a little heater down here that's gonna maintain the temperature at least 40 degrees. So if the temperature drops below 40 degrees, then the heater is gonna come on. So also I have a few containers here. These are regular juice bottles that I spray painted black to absorb more water, more heat. So I spray painted the bottles black and fill them with water. Same here, jugs, I fill them with water, and during the day it's gonna absorb some heat, so at night it will slowly release the heat, so that way it can maintain the temperature in the greenhouse here. So it's coming along, so still have a couple of weeks for us to plant this outside or plant them in the regular containers. So I'll give it a couple of more weeks, then I'll transplant some of them. So some of them are pretty tall and already getting bigger than the little bottles that I planted them in. So hopefully should be able to transplant some of them in a week or two, and then later on most of them should be able to go into containers and the garden. So that's how I'm starting my seeds indoors this year. So the greenhouse, I have a video of how I built the greenhouse. Right now the greenhouse is it's empty. Everything is empty right now, so I hope to start transplanting some of those seeds into the pots and containers very soon. So what I'm gonna do is just seal the whole shelf. I'm gonna seal the shelf like that with plastic wraps. It's gonna maintain the temperature in this little enclosure. So okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please just leave it below. I'll try to answer as many questions and comments as possible. I know some of you might have questions and about my process, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe.